Hello, dear SAT aspirants. Myself Ravi Jangra, your maths tutor for SAT and ACT exam. So, in this class, as you can see, that we will solve SAT Math Algebra questions, and in this series, we will have 6 classes, and on the 6 classes, what we will do in each the class, in every class, we will uh, consider two topics of algebra. For example, first topic today that we will see in the class is some beginning math facts, and the second topic will be solving linear equations. So SAT Math Algebra we will do today. So in this algebra series we will have 6 classes, and in every class we will do 2 chapters or 2 topics, you can say, and in this class we will do practice of this SAT Maths Algebra questions. Okay, and the first both topics you can see clearly, and now we will start the class. So nearly in 1 hour or more than 1 hour we will do all the questions of some basic maths questions and solving linear equations. So by watching all these videos you will complete your algebra portion from here, or either you can say you can practice the algebra portion. Okay, let's start the class. So when we are talking about some basic math facts, we have to see these type of questions, and especially in this class we will do student produce response. A student produce response, these type of questions we will discuss in this class, we will solve in this class, and you can also solve and tell me the answer in the comment section. Okay, you can also solve the questions in the live class, and you can tell me the answers of these questions in the comment box. First question. Now first question we have is, if 2 power 4 and into 4 power 2 is equal to 16 power x, then what is the value of x? Okay, first question. Now in this first question we have 2 power 4, okay, into we have 4 power 2. Now whenever these type of questions come, we all have to try that the base should be same. Here in the first part base is 2, and in the second part base is 4. So what we will do, we will also write this 4 as 2 power 2. Okay, this 4 we will write it as 2 power 2, and again power is 2, and this is equal to 16 power x. Okay, now what we will do, this is 2 power 4 into 2 power 2 into 2, it is 4, and 16 also, 16 is 2 power 4. Okay, 16 is also 2 power 4. Now when base is same, the power will add, so this is 2 power 4 and 4, 8 is equal to 2 power. Now this 2 has 2 powers, it has 4 also, it has 3 also. So when one base has 2 powers, then these powers will multiply. So this 4 and this x, they will multiply, it will be equal to 4x. Now here base is same, so base is same in LHS and in RHS, then these powers will also be same. So 8 is equal to 4x and x will be equal to 2. This is our first question. Okay, basic question. So this is basic question of algebra, when the base is same, so then both the powers will multiply. If two terms are there which base is same, then power will, and they are in multiply, then power will add. So these type of questions came in SAT exam, and we can solve this. The answer will be 2. Okay, easy question, simple question. So in this series on YouTube, what we are doing, we are doing the practice of SAT questions. SAT, now the topic is SAT Algebra. So SAT Algebra questions practice we will do in this class, and you can also suggest me more that what else we can do for you. Second question is, if a power 7 is equal to 7777, okay, and a power 6 upon b is equal to 11, what we have to find what is the value of ab. Okay, now how to solve this question, please see. So in this question what we will do, in the second question we have a power 7 is given 7777. Okay, a power 7 is given 7777, and we also they have given a power 6 upon b is equal to 11. Okay, now what we will need to do, we have to find the value of ab. So what we will do, first of all, this 11 will come this side, so it will be a power 6 upon 11 is equal to, b will go there, b will go this side, 11 will come this side. Okay, now we have to find ab. So what we will do, we will multiply by a both sides. We will multiply by a. If we multiply by a, then this will be ab, and is equal to, this is a power 1, a means a power 1, and a power 6. If both of them are in multiply, the power will add, so the power will become a power 7 upon 11. Okay, a power 1, a power 6 is a power 7 upon 11. And now what is a power 7? A power 7 is given in the question 7 4 times, and divide by 11, it will be 707. Okay, 11 7 ja 77, then 0, then again 7 ja. So by this way we can solve this question also. This is our question number 2 that we have solved in the class. So this its answer will be 707. So first question answer will be 2, and second question answer will be 7. Okay, so these are the first two questions of, these are some basic beginning maths questions. These questions are basic beginning math questions that we can solve by using the basic methods. Okay, so we can solve these basic questions by using the simple power values and simple basic values. Okay, next, moving on, next questions. So these two questions are clear, I hope so. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down, and you can in comments also you can tell me whether you have any doubt or no. Second, and now third question. So two questions we have discussed in the basic series. We have today we have only four questions. Two questions we have solved, and these are the another two questions. Now solving question number 3. So read question number 3, what is it saying. So in question number 3 they are saying that if y value is 2 power 2p minus 1 and z value is p minus 2, y is given, z is given, then what is the value of y by z, and when p is equal to 2.5. Now first of all they have given the value of p, that is 2.5. We will put the value of p 2.5 in the above. So if we put p value 2.5 here, then y value will be equal to 2 power, if p is 2.5, 2p will be 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4, or you can say 16. 2 power 4 is 16. Now what is z? What is z? Z is p minus 2. P is 2.5, 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5. Okay, y is given, z is given. Now we have to find the value of y upon z. If y is given, z is given, then y by z, then 16 by 0.5. And now what is 0.5? 0.5 is 1 by 2. This 2 will go this side. It will be y by z will be equal to 32. Okay, the answer will be 32. So this is also another easy question. P value is 2.5 we have put here, and it is 2 power 4, that is 16. Z value is p minus 2 and 0.5, and y by z is 32. So very easily we can solve this question also. Moving on, question number 4. Question number 4, in question number 4 they are saying that the value of k is between 13 to 21. Value of k is between 13 to 21, and value of p is equal to 9 to 19, and you can also see we have equal sign also. It means we have to consider 13 value also, 21 value also. And they are saying that the value of m is between 2 to 6, but here you can clearly see the equal sign is not there. Equal sign is not there, it means that we cannot take the value of m, neither we can take the value of m2 and nor 6. We have to take between 2 and 6. Okay, and now they are saying that k, p and m are integers. K, p and m are integers. What is the largest possible value of this? So this is a little smart question. This is little smart question, but we can solve this. Now they have given the indications about k, p and m, and now we have to find the value of k minus p upon m. Okay, so now for this we want this value to be largest value, maximum value. So what we have to do, if this value is maximum or largest, what we have to do, this k value, this we want as maximum. This k value is maximum, and this p value we want it as minimum. Why? This value as maximum we want, this value as minimum, because the minus sign is there. Whenever in these questions of plus minus, we have to find the largest value, then we want the numerator to be largest and denominator to be lowest. Now numerator will be largest when we will subtract very small amount from very big amount. If we'll subtract very small amount from very big amount, then the value will be largest, maximum. So this k will be maximum and this p will be minimum. Now, and the same concept is we have to make the value largest value. So for that, numerator must be largest, denominator will be lowest. So this denominator will be largest when this is maximum, this is minimum, and this value we again have to take minimum. Okay, so now tell me what are their values. This k value maximum is 21, and it can be equal to 21, so we will take is 21 minus P value we will take at P value, we have to take minimum, so the value of P is minimum is 9. Okay, so 9 we will take, divide by M. What is M? M value we have to take minimum, so some students will take a value of M is 2, but no, this is wrong, because the equal sign is not there. If equal sign is not there, then you cannot take 2, you have to take more than 2, and more than 2 value is 3. I think they are integers. K, P and M are integers. If they are integers, then what is the next integer? That is more than 2. The integer will be 3, so it will be 3. So 21 minus 9 upon 3, and the answer will be 12 by 3, and the answer will be 4. So 4 is our answer. So in these type of questions, you have to see this concept, that this value, whenever they are asking for the largest value, then numerator will be largest and denominator will be lowest. Okay, in the question when they are asking for largest value, then numerator should be largest, and denominator will be lowest. Denominator can be lowest, and numerator will be largest, denominator lowest. Okay, so denominator we have taken lowest, or you can say minimum value, and the numerator we have taken largest means this value should be maximum and this value should be minimum, because when we subtract a very less part from a very big part, only then maximum will come. And suppose if they are they would have asked for the minimum value, its lowest value, then what we will do? If they are asking for the lowest value, then this value we will take minimum and this value will take maximum, because when very small value subtract very large value, only then the minimum value will come. Okay, all right, so like this we can solve the question. So question number 3 was very easy, the answer was 32. Question number 4 was again easy, but little concept in the fourth question, and the answer of fourth question is 4. Okay, hopefully I have cleared all your doubts, and if there are any doubt, you can comment down and tell me the doubt. Okay, moving on, and the next question will be question. Now these are the next questions, as I have discussed earlier, that we will solve two type of questions. One is some beginning math facts, so these 4 questions include the beginning math facts, and the next is solving linear equations. So now we will solve the linear equations. In this linear equation we have, I think, approx 16-17 questions that we will solve in the class. Okay, so solving linear equations. Okay, first question on your screen. First question is, I think it looks super easy. First question they are saying that if 2w minus 1 is equal to 2, then what is the value of w square minus 1? Okay, again I think very easy question. In this question what we'll do, I think we can solve it here only. If 2w minus 1 is equal to 2, then what is w? What is w? This minus will go there, it will be 3, so w will be 3 by 2. And we have to find w square minus 1. I think it's very easy. W square minus 1. Now what is w? W is 3 by 2. What is w square? 9 by 4 minus 1, so it will be 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is our answer. 5 by 4 is our answer. So it's again super easy questions, but these type of questions are repeatedly being asked in the SAT exam. So from basic to advanced we will cover all the topics. Okay, so this question number 1 was super easy. Second question, now read question number 2, what they are saying. In question number 2 they are saying is 11 minus 3x is 4 less than 13, then what is the value of 6x? Now read the statement carefully. They are saying 11 minus 3x, this value 11 minus 3x, this value is 4 less than 13. Okay, so now first of all we will write the value is 11 minus 3x. Now this value is 4 less than 13. It is 4 less than 13, it means is equal to 11 minus 3x is means is equal to 4 less than 13, so it will be 13 minus 4. It is 4 less than 13. Okay, now what is the value of 6x? So very easily we can solve this. If 11 minus 3x is 13 minus 4, or we can say 11 minus 3x is equal to 9, and then 3x will be equal to 2, x will be 2 by 3. Okay, x will be 2 by 3. Now if x is 2 by 3, we have to find the value of 6x. So 6x will be 6 into 2 by 3, it will be equal to 4. 4 is our answer. Okay, so easy question, very easy. If 11 minus 3x is 4 less than 13, So in this question you just have to see the statement you have to study. If you study statement carefully and reach to the exact equation, then solving is not that much tough. You can easily solve this if you can read the statement carefully. Okay, moving on, next question. Okay, this is question number 2. Now question number 3. What are they saying? The question number 3, it is saying that 2x plus 1 is equal to 8 and 15 minus 3y is equal to 0. What is the value of x by y? Again, very easy question. We can solve this at the PDF also, this page also. If 2x plus 1 is equal to 8, then what is the value of x? This one will go 7. X is 7 by 2. If 15 minus 3y is 0, then what is y? This will go this side and 3 will divide the 15 on 5. So y is again 5. Now they are asking what is x by y. So x by y, you just have to divide x by y. So what is x? X is 7 by 2. And if you divide it by 5, this 5 will join 2 here. It will be 7 by 2. 7 by 10, or you can say 0.7. Question number 3, answer will be 0.7. And this is how you can solve the question. X is very easily, you can find x from here. Very easily you can find y from here. X is given, y is given. You just have to divide x by y to get its complete value. Okay, easy. Moving on, question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying the total score in a football game was 72 points. The total score in a football game was 72 points. The winning team scored 12 points more than the losing team. If losing team is scoring x, then winning team is scoring 12 points more than the losing team. So how many points did the winning team score? Okay, now you can clearly see that in this question we have one team is winning team, one is losing team. Suppose the losing team secure x marks, then the winning team is securing 12 points more. It means if losing team is securing x marks, then winning team is securing x plus 12. If losing team x, then winning team x plus 12. And it is, they are saying that total score is 72. So now how to find the total score? This losing team score and this winning team score, we will add the score. If we add x and x plus 12, it will be 2x plus 12, and this score is equal to total score. Total score is 72. So now from here, this 2x value will be 60 and x is 30. X is 30, and some students will write 30 itself in the answer. No, 30 is not the answer. 30 is the score of the losing team. What they are asking, how many points did the winning teams secure? So we have to tell the exact answer is winning team is securing 12 marks more. It means 42. Winning team is securing 42 and losing team is securing 30. So don't be in a hurry while solving the question. Solve calmly, patiently, and in a awareness, so that when you have found the value that x is 30, you will not write 30 there. You will read what is the exact question. So in awareness we have to solve the question. How many points did the winning team secure? Answer is 42. Okay, fifth question. Now talking about fifth question, what they are asking, just read the statement. They are saying Max cell phone plan charges a monthly pay as you go rate. It means as you go you have to pay, and the rate is $0.13. The rate is $0.13. Okay, that rate is $0.13, and for every text message sent or received. So see, in the questions of this statement type, you have to carefully read the statement, and after reading the statement, then you have to judge that what they are asking. So they are saying that whether Max will send any text message or receive any, they are charging him. Okay, they are charging him even for the sent message or the received message. If Max was charged $7.41 for 15 more sent texts than he received, how many texts did Max send? So the statement is a little bit confusing. So we'll read it more slowly, more patiently. They are saying if Max was charged $7.41 for 15 more sent texts than he received, the total amount that Max has charged is 7.41. Okay, now you can see, suppose he has received x messages, then it means he have sent x plus 15 messages, because They are clearly saying that he has sent 15 more messages than he has received. If he has received x messages, then he has sent x plus 15 messages. Now the total bill, how many total messages are there? Now you can see in this question how many total messages he has received x messages, he has sent x plus 15. So total messages are 2x plus 15. These are the total messages that he has sent or received. Now each message, to find its complete rate, each message we have to multiply by 0.13, because it is given in the question that you have to multiply by 0.13. And now this is the total rate. Total rate will come like this, and the total rate of max is 7.41. Total rate is 7.41. So from here you can solve the value of x. From here you can solve the value of x, and then we can solve it further. So now 2x plus 15, and you can use calculator also by solving this, and it will be 741 divided by 13. So this point will get cancelled out because both are exactly same. So if you divide it by 13, you will get 13 5s are, I think 65, and then 91, 13 7s are, 13 5s are 65, and then 13 7s are 91. And if 2x plus 15 is 57, then what is 2x? You will subtract this 47, 42, x will be 21. So it means he has sent 21 messages, he has received 21 messages, and he has sent 36 messages. Okay, so he has sent how many messages? 36, because they have clearly given that 15 more than the received messages. Now how many texts did Max send? So easily the answer is 36. Max has sent how many messages? 36 messages. Okay, so this is how we can solve the question. So it is again little tricky question. The statement is was given in such a style that you have to read this type of statement. If you do any plus error or minor error, then it's tough to get the correct answer. So very carefully you have to read the statement. If you read the statement very carefully, only then you can solve such type of questions. Questions are super easy, but you just have to pay attention to the statement. Okay, so now in this class we have covered 1 2 3 4 and 5 questions. Okay, easy. Next, moving on, next questions in the same series are now it will be little difficult for you to read the statement because I think the font is too small, but I'll read it for you. And moving on, next question is question number 10, but I think on the last page we have skipped one question. Okay, I think in the last page, no, okay, sorry. So this is fifth question. See, up to here we have 5 questions, but the next page they have skipped one question, one page. So first of all we do this page in continuity. We have solved 5th question, now this is 6th question. Okay, so now in 6th question what they are saying, read question number 6. In question number 6 they are saying, for what value of the constant a does the equation have the same solution as the equation? Now in any equation, what does the term solution means? Solution means value of x. Whenever they are saying find solution, then finding solution means finding the value of x. So in this question they are saying, for what value of the constant a value we have to find, does the equation, this equation has the same solution as this equation. So now first of all find the solution of this. What is solution of this equation? This minus 1 will go here, it will be 2, and the value of x is 4. From here you can clearly see this minus 1 will go there, 2, and 2 into 2 4. Now if x value is 4, then we will put the value of x4 here because their solution is same. It means the value of x is same in both the equations. So if x is 4, we will put here 4. It will be 4a plus 7 is equal to 5 plus a. So this a will get subtracted here. It will be 3a, and 5 minus 7 minus 2, a value is minus 2 by 3. So in this class we are doing student produced response. So you are producing these responses, and you just have to fill the score, fill the exact number. So in this question, in the 6th question, the answer will be minus 2 by 3. Easily we can solve this. Okay, next, moving on, 7th question. In 7th question they are saying, if 7 by 12x minus x by 3, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, what is the value of x? How to solve this? Again, what we will do in this question, we just have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 12 and 3? 12 and 3 LCM you have to take. If 12 and 3 LCM will take, the LCM will be 12 and it will be 7x. Means simple calculations, it will be 7x and minus it will be 4x is equal to, here also 2 and 8 LCM we will take. 2 and 8 LCM is 8, so it will be 4 plus it will be 3. 4 plus 3, so it will be, you can say 3x by 12 and is equal to 7 by 8. 3 will cut this on 4, 4 will cut this on 2, so x is 7 by 2, or you can say 3.5. so very easily we can solve this. We just have to take LCM. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. What is LCM? LCM, see, basically when two numbers are given, two numbers are given, then LCM is either the largest number of them, but for that the smaller number have to divide the largest number. Example, in this question 12 was there, 3 was there, so in 12 and 3, 12 is larger number, and if the smaller number is dividing the larger number, in this case 3 is dividing 12, so then 12 is the LCM. Similarly here also we have two numbers 2 and 8, and in 2 and 8, if the larger number is 8 and if 2 is completely dividing the 8, that is true in this case, then 8 will be the LCM. Okay, so easily we can take LCM also. So seventh question we have solved now. Now moving on, question number 8. What question number 8 is saying? In question number 8 they are saying what value of x satisfy the equation. This is the equation, and what value of x is satisfying this. So how to solve this question? Again, the question number 8 is super easy, and see, in the question number 8 it is 6 minus 2 by 3, and that 2 by 3 is in multiply with x plus 5. This 2 by 3 is multiplying with x plus 5, and this is equal to 4x. Now how to solve the exact value? So again here we have 6 upon 1, and in 1 and 3 you take the LCM 3. You take the LCM 3, and 3 will go there also. It will be 18 minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 4x. So here you can solve. It is 8 minus 2x is equal to 12x, and 14x is 8, and x is 8 by 14, and 8 by 14 is what? 4 by 7. Okay, the answer is 4 by 7. So very easy question. First of all we have 6, and then minus 2 by 3, and with the 2 by 3 we have x plus 5, and it is equal to 4x. We have taken the LCM 3, it will go there. 18 minus 2x minus 10, and it is equal to 4x, and then 3 will go this side. 18 minus 10 is 8, minus 2x is 12x. 14x, x is 8 by 14, you can say 4 by 7. So again, very easy question. So algebra, you can secure your full marks in the algebra, because algebra questions are very easy to solve, and it's very scoring also. Okay, if you are targeting that 750 plus marks in the SAT exam, then these type of questions you cannot miss to score, because these are very easy to score. 8th question. In the 8th question, there's in the 9th question, this is question number 9. So 8th question we have solved. This is question number 9. In the question number 9 we have a little typing error, and in the book it will be no this equal sign will not be there. So let's first remove the equal sign. This equal sign we will remove. Okay, so now you can solve this question. So we will solve the question here on itself. So in this question what you will do, it is 5, multiply this 5 inside. 5y minus 10 upon y is equal to, this minus 1 3 will go that side, it will be plus 1 by 3, and now 3 will come here, y will come here, it will be 15y minus 30, and is equal to, it will be y. So you can solve this now, very easy to solve. This y will go there, it will be 14y, and minus 30 will come here, so y is equal to 13 by 14, and it will be equal to 15 by 7. Okay, it will be equal to 15 by 7. So 15 by 7 is the value of y. In this question you have to find the value of y. Okay, so this question also we have solved, and all the online students, please tell me how you are liking this video. Okay, any student, if you watch this video by any means, this is my first new channel, and in on this new channel this is my second video. So if you are finding this video useful, then you can subscribe to my channel, and you can send this video to your other friends also, and you can comment that whether you are liking this video, or if you have any issue in the video, you can tell me. Okay, I will do the exact version that students are asking from me, or they are expecting that SAT teachers should teach them in that way. I'll try to copy that, and I'll try to teach you in that way. Okay, all right. So ninth question we have also solved. The answer I think is 15/7. Moving on, next question, question number 10. So I think question number 10 is on the last page, on the 2 page earlier. So question number 10. So this, now in this you will have little issue by looking at the PDF, but because the font size is too small now, but I think it is visible in the mobile. Yes, it is visible, but little issue. Okay, now moving on, question number 10 we have to solve, and question number 10, question number 10. In question number 10 they have given, now the question level will be little tough, not too much tough, but little tough. Like in question number 10 you have to read the exact statement. They are saying, question number 10, the set of equations above describes how the supply S and demand D for a computer memory chip depends on the market price. So in the question they have given the demand, and the demand is 141 minus 0.16p. This is the demand, 141 minus 0.16p, and the supply is 64 plus 0.28p. This is supply. Now they are saying that both of supply and demand are depending upon the P, and P represents the price in dollar. P represents the price in dollar for each lot of 10 memory chips. P is the price of $10 chips. 10 memory chips. 10 memory chips price is P. Okay, now it is saying for what dollar price per memory chip we have to find the price of per memory chip does supply equals demand. So this is the critical point here. They are saying that supply equal demand. Supply and demand should be equal. So when supply and demand, if they are equal, so first of all we will make them equal. Supply is 141 minus 0.16p, and demand is 64 plus 0.2. This is supply and this is demand. Okay, 141. Now you just have simply solve this. So if you subtract this, it will be 7, and 13 minus 6 again 7, and is equal to, you will go this side, it will be 4 and 4, 0.44. It will be equal to 0.44. Okay, 16 plus 28 is what? 0.44 P. So from here you can find what is the value of P. P is 77 upon 44 upon 100. So it will be 7 upon 4. You can cancel this by 11. 7 upon 4 into 100. So this will be cancelled by 25, and P will be 175. So P is 175 first of all. Okay, okay, so P is 175. Now they are saying that P is the price of 10 memory chips. If P is the price of 10 memory chips, then what is the price of one memory chip? One memory chip price will be 17.5. We just have to divide the P by 10, and now what are they saying? If P represent price in dollar for what dollar price per memory chip? Per memory chip you have to focus. The answer is, this is the answer, 17.5 is the answer, because this is the price of per memory chip. First of all, demand and supply, we have to make demand and supply equal. When they are equal, we will solve them. We will find the value of P, and P value is 175, and the P value is the value of 10 memory chips. So to find value of one memory chip, we will divide this value by 10. So the answer is 17.5. Okay, so this is how we can solve the questions. And now solving the next question, question number 11. Solving the next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11 looks like looks easy. It is 7 into x plus 9 upon 4 minus 1 is equal to 41, so this minus 1 will go there, it will be 42. 7 will cancel 42 on 6, and x plus 9 will be equal to 4 into 6, 24. So x will be equal to 15. X is 15, and we have to find x minus 9. X minus 9 will be 6. 15 minus 9 will be 6. So 6 is our correct answer, and the question looks super easy again. So very easily we can solve this question. The question number 9 is again 11. The answer is 6. Okay. Moving on and solving the next question. Next question, first of all, we will solve 13 question, because we have solved 10th question, 11th question, now 13 question. 13 question also is super easy. They are saying that if 7 quarters and n nickels is equivalent to 380 pennies, what is the value of n? So how to solve this question? To solve the question, this 13 question, they are saying 7 quarters and n nickels is equal to 380 pennies. Now you should know the relation between penny, nickel, quarter and dime. Now what is the relation? They are saying 7 quarters, so we will convert every term into penny. They are saying 7 quarters, so 7 quarter, in 1 quarter we have 25 pennies. So if we multiply 7 by 25, we have converted quarter into pennies, plus n nickels. Now how many nickels, how many pennies in a nickel? In a quarter we have 25 pennies. In a nickel we have 5 pennies. Okay, so in nickel we have 5 pennies, so this 5 we will multiply this n by 5, because in one nickel we have 5 pennies, and this is equal to 380 pennies. This is equal to 380 pennies. So very easily we can find the value of n from here. It will be 175. So 5n, this is 175, will subtracted from 380. 380 minus 175, it will be equal to 205. Okay, it will be equal to 205 or 105. 105. 205. Okay. So answer is 205, and this 2 will divide by this 205 will be divided by 5, so answer will be 41. Okay, the answer will be 41. You can solve. 5 will divide the 20 on 4, and it will be 41. Okay. So this relation you have to understand, that in 1 quarter we have 25 pennies, in 1 nickel we have 5 pennies, and in 1 dime means 1 dime, 1 dime we have 10 pennies. Okay, so we can solve this question. So 3 questions are there on the screen. We have solved question number 10, question number 11, question number 13. Now we will solve the question number 12, and question number 14. For that we have to remove this content, okay, because we have less space here. Okay, so I'm removing every this term, but okay, so what we need to do, we need to remove them by individually. Okay, now read question number 12 and how to solve this. By the next time I will come with the complete PPT. Today time was less, and I have to come like this. Okay, so reading, talking about question number 12. In question number 12, what they are saying? In question number 12, what they are saying? We can, I think, do little zoom now, so that you can read question number 12 clearly. Okay. Now read question number 12. They are saying that Gerald and Jim work at a furniture store. Gerald is paid $185 per week plus 4% of his total sales. Jim is paid $275 per week plus 2.5% of his total sales. What amount of sales will make their weekly pay the same? It is saying what amount of sale, how much sale will be there in the question, so that their weekly pay are same. Okay, let's suppose the amount of sale is X. whatever they are asking, will assume it as x. Let's suppose the amount of sale is x. Now Gerald. Now Gerald is earning how much? They are earning 185 per week. So 185 is Gerald fixed amount. 185 is Gerald fixed amount. Now plus extra. What is extra? He's earning 4% of total sales. 4% of total sales. Now how many sales are happening? Suppose the amount of sale is x. Now he is also earning 4% of total sale. So 4% of x. So 4% of x will be 4 upon 100 into x. This is earning of Gerald. And now again Jim. How much is Jim earning? Jim is earning how much? Jim is paid 275 per week. So 275 is fixed amount of Jim plus, and he is earning 2.5% of his total sale. He is earning 2.5% of the total sale. So 2.5% means 25 upon 1000. 10 has come for the point, and 20 for the percent of his total sales, and total sale are again x. So this is sale of Gerald, this is sale of Jim, and we have to find what amounts of sale will make them their weekly pay the same. We have to make the both of their weekly pay as same. So these two terms we have to make them equal. So if Gerald and Jim are earning same, it will be 185. We have to solve this equation, and it will be 4x by 100 is equal to 275 and plus 25x by 1000. So you can take upon 1000, you can take x terms one side. It will be 4x upon 100 minus 25x upon 1000 is equal to 275 minus 185. It will be 0, it will be 9, and it will be 90. 275 minus this, it will be 90. Okay, now if you take LCM here, LCM will be 1000, and it will be 40x minus 25x is equal to 90. So 40x minus 25x how much? 15x. So 15x is 90,000, and x will be 15 will cut on 6. So 6,000 will be the total amount of sale, so that their weekly pay is equal. Okay, so in this question very easily we can solve this question. We have in this question two persons, Gerald and Jim. Gerald total income is 185 fixed and 4% of the total sale, and Jim total income is 275 fixed and 25, or you can say 2.5% of the total sale, and both of them are equal. And after, if we make both of them equal, the value of x is 6,000 that we have solved. Okay, so x is the answer. Now solving question number 14. Okay, I think this is easily we have solved this. Now moving on the next question. Next question is question number 14. So for that I have to remove this, okay, so that we have the space on the same slide. Okay, now they are saying that a gardener is planting two types of trees. A gardener is planting two types of trees. Type A is 3 feet tall and grows at a rate of 15 inches per year. Type A, again see again in this question also, type A is 3 feet tall, this is fixed height, and it is growing, so it also has variable height. So if you talk about type A is 3 feet tall, so 3 feet height is fixed, plus it is growing at a rate of 15 inches per year. So 15 inch per year it is growing. So every year it is growing 15 inch. So it is growing 15 inch. So now in this question you can see that its fixed height is in feet and its variable height is in inches. So from feet to inches we should know the relation. In 1 feet or 1 foot we have 12 inches. So its growth is 15 inches per year. Now how much year are there in this question? They are asking how many years will it take for these trees to grow to the same height. Means their height we have to make it equal. And they are saying in the first we have in this type 1, type A, they are growing 15 inches per year. It means suppose the amount of time or you can say how many years. Let's say we have t years. Okay, the year number we have assumed as t. Now they are saying that it is growing at 15 inches per year. It means that we have to multiply 15 inch. If they grow in 1 year, then in t year they will grow 15 into t. If in 1 year they grow 15 inch, then in t year we have to multiply 15 with the t. But this is in inch, so we will divide it by 12. This is in inch, so we will divide it by 12 to convert this into feet. Okay, now type B. What B is saying? Type B is 5 feet tall, so we'll write 5 here plus, and it is growing at a rate of 9 inches per year, so we have to multiply 9 with the t and divide by 12 to convert it into feet. Now if we make both of them equal, they are saying make both of them equal. 3 plus 15 t by 12 is equal to 5 plus 9 t by 12. Taking t terms one side, it will be 6 t by 12 and it will be equal to 2. So t is 4. So 4 year is our answer. 4 year they will take both of the trees, so that the gardener have to wait just 4 years. After 4 years both of the trees will reach to the same height. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 14. Okay, easy one. Moving on, next question number 6, page, next page, and 14 question we have solved. Now question number 15, 16, 17. In this class, now we have 3 questions left and we'll solve the 3 questions, then this algebra portion will be completed. Okay, question number 5. What is the question number 5 saying? In question number 15, we have, this is the equation and it is saying in the equation above, what is the value of n? We have to find the value of n by solving this question. So simply, very simply we can solve this question. The 15th question is super easy. It looks super easy. This minus will go inside, so it will be 9n minus 5n plus 3 upon 8 is equal to, it is 2 into n minus 1. It will be equal to 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2, and minus 3 plus 7n, minus 3 plus 7n divided by 12. Okay, now we have simply have to solve this. It is 9n minus 4n is 9n minus 5n is 4n plus 3, and you can also cancel this 2 and this by 3, so 3 will come this side and this 2 will go this side. You simply have to solve this. 2n and 7n is 9n, and minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, so it will be equal to 12n plus 9, and it is equal to 18n minus 10. So this is 19 and this is 6n. So very easily you can find the value of n. N value is 19 by 6. Okay, so again easy equation, simple equation, you just have to solve the value. And so this is basic of algebra, and we are doing this linear equation in one variable. Okay, now question number 16. In question number 16, what they are saying? In question number 16, they are saying an animal shelter spends $2.35 per day to care for each cat. To care for each cat, they are spending $2.35 per day, and 5.50 per day to care for each dog. For each dog, they are spending $5.50. If 89.50 is spent caring for a total of 22 cats and dogs, how much was spent on caring for all the cats? The number of cat and dog is not given, but they are saying the number of cat, the sum is given. Okay, the sum is given. So you can say in this question, suppose the number of cats is x and the number of dogs is y. We have taken the number of cats, let's suppose it is equal to x, and the number of dogs, let's suppose, is equal to y. Then one thing they have clearly given is x plus y is 22. Total number is 22. Okay, and now they are saying they are spending 0.25 per day to care for each cat, and suppose now the number of cat is x, and they are spending 2.35 per day to care of each cat, so the total amount spent on the cat is 2.35. We have to multiply by x. This is the total amount spent on all the cat for one day, and this number 5.50, we have to multiply this by the number of dogs. So number of dog is y, so we will multiply 5.5 with y. So this is the total spending, and they are saying that if 89.50 is spent caring for a total of 22 cats and dogs, they should have mentioned that in one day this is happening, and now how much was spent on caring for all of the cats. So this is the total amount is 89.5. okay. So these are the two equations. We have to solve these two equations, and after solving these two equations, we have to find value of x or value of y. So how to solve now? So very easily you can solve. This is we have two equations. From equation 1 you can say y is equal to 22 minus x. In this equation y is 22 minus x. If we put the value of y 22 minus x here, it will be 2.35x 2.35x plus 5.5, and y value is 22 minus x. Y value is 22 minus x, and this is equal to 89.5. okay. So now we have to solve the value of x from here. 2.35x and this, and multiply by this, it will be equal to 55 into 2 is, and 11 will left, and 55 into 2 is 1110, and 1110 and 11 121. So it is 121.0, it means 121. okay, 89.5. Now this value we have to subtract from here, and if 2.35x will subtract 5.5x, how much it will be? It will be equal to 15 minus 3.15x. okay. And if 89.5 will subtract this, it will be equal to, again, minus, it will be equal to, it will be how much more than that? It will be 21 is clear, and 21 and 31.5. 31.5. So you can solve all this by calculator. I am just solving, and the value of x will be, if this is 315 upon 10, and this term, if you go there, it will be 100 upon 315. So you can solve this by calculator also. So value of x is 10. It means the number of cat is 10, and the x is the number of cats. The number of cats is 10, and the number of dogs is 12. okay. Now they are saying how much was spent on caring for all of the cats. So now you can see that on one cat they are spending 2.35. On one cat they are spending 2.35. Then on 10 cats, how much they spend? The number of cat is 10, so they will spend, total spend on cat will be 10 into 2.35. 10 is the number of cat, and 2.35 is their spending, so it will be equal to 23.5. so 23.5 will be our answer. okay. So this is again easy question. They have given that the number of x and y, or cats and dog, is 22. By using that relation, we have to find the value of x, and after finding the value of x, we have to multiply the value of x by the amount that they are spending on the cat. okay. Moving on, last question of today's class, and what is the question? 17th question, the last question. okay. You can also take this screenshot of this page if you want to revise this again, or you can see the video later also. okay. So last question is question number 17. I'm removing this extra part. Question number 17 is the last question. In question number 17, what they are saying? In question number 17, they are saying that in question number 17 we have two equations. okay. These two are the equations, or we can also do it more zoom. okay. We can also zoom it little more. This is question number 17 and our last question. okay. And they are saying that r is given, and r is also a function of x, p is also a function of x, and they are saying in the equations above, r and p represent price per gallon in dollars of regular and premium grades of gasoline. So this r is price of regular gasoline, and this p is prime of premium gasoline, and x months after July 1 of the last year. okay. After x months, the price is adding, and they are saying what was the cost per gallon in dollar of premium gasoline what was the cost of the gallon, cost per gallon of premium gasoline for the month in which the per gallon price of premium exceed the per gallon price of regular by $0.93. Now they are saying that in a separate month the price of per gallon premium and exceeding the regular price by this. So now the whose price is more? You can see the price of premium is more than the regular, and how much more? The value of the premium gallon is $0.93 more. So what is the premium value? This is the premium value. So what we will do, premium price minus regular price, this difference is 0.93. What is premium price? Premium price is 2.89. 2.89 plus 0.10x minus 2.24, 2.24 minus 0.06x, and this difference is 0.93. First of all, we will find the value of x, that in which month this is happening. Then the price of the premium gallon, premium, what is there in the question? The value of the premium grades of gasoline is more than the regular gasoline. Now 2.89 minus 2.24, it will be equal to 0.65. 0.65. 0.10x minus 0.06x, it will be equal to 0.04x, and this value is 0.93. So from here we have to find the value of x. So 0.043 is equal to 0. It will be 8 and it will be 228, and from here you can solve the value of x. It will be 28 divided by 100 divided by, so this is 0.28, we can write this as 28 by 100, and this is 0.04, you can say 4 by 100. So the value of x is 7. The value of x is 7. It means that in the 7th month after 1 January 2000, or last year they are saying, after 1 January of the last year, in the 7th month this is happening, that the premium price is exceeding the regular price by $0.9. Now what is the question? What they are saying? They are saying that what was the cost per gallon? We have to find the complete cost in dollar of premium gasoline. Premium gasoline for the month, and the month we have found out, the month was 7th month. Now we have to find the price of premium gasoline. Now how to find the price of premium gasoline? The relation is given in the question. In the question they have given the P is 2.89 plus 0.110x, and it will be equal to 2.89 plus 0.110x. X, what is x? 7. In the 7th month it is happening, so it is 2.89, and we have to add 0.70. so if we add this, it will be 9, 3.59, $3.5 is the price. 3.59, 9 and 7, 4, 5 and 3. This is the complete price of the gasoline of the premium segment. So this is our last question. So this is our last question. So in this class, as I have promised you 1 hour ago that this class will be 1 hour, and we have solved all the questions. I think 17 questions of this part and 4 questions of this part. So in 1 hour we have practiced 21 questions. So these are the exact SAT level questions. So how was the class? Every student should tell me in the comments. Now this is a new channel, so the number of students is 0. This is a new channel, so the number of students is completely 0. Nobody is watching this live, but I hope that after 6 months, I have patience of working for 6 months or 1 year. I hope that after 1 month or after 6 months or 1 year, a lot of students will come here and watch the class live. So whenever you are getting time to watch this class, please comment me and comment that this I want students who can see this class and they can comment that your this method is correct or this is not correct, or I should teach you by sitting on a pen tab, or this method when I'm standing and delivering the lecture, this method is more good. So I want genuine reviews from genuine students, genuine SAT aspirants. So okay, see you in the next class. I hope you enjoy this class. And the next class, so in this is first class, so in now in the next 5 classes we will complete the algebra portion. And these are only 2 topics of algebra. In the next classes we will do the remaining topics of the algebra. We'll solve them and practice them. Now, and one last thing, if you want to join our 1-on-1 class, I take 1-on-1 class of SAT maths on Zoom app or online classes basically, and on Zoom app or Google Meet app. So 1-to-1 you can also study from me. Each and every chapter of SAT maths will cover in only 40 classes. Only 40 classes in 40 hours we will complete the SAT maths, and your score will be more than 750 plus. And you will also get the PDF of questions also and practice set also. And see you there in the next class. Okay, take care.